Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the PornAOSP 1.1 for our Galaxy Note 3. So without wasting more time, so guys, starting with the launcher, we get a normal pixel launcher, and into its settings you can see we get a tons of options. So it's a customizable pixel launcher. We can customize the theme, desktop, the dock and the app drawer like you want. Now let's move into the settings and let's go into about phone. Here you can see PornAOSP model number N900, and it only supports Exynos model. You can see the Android version 7.1.2 because we don't have over here yet, and you can see the PornAOSP version which is PAOSP 1.1, and yeah, here's some rude language is being used, and you can see the build date which is April 27. And yeah, it's based on the Lineage OS extended, so the performance will be very I know guys, the name of the ROM is a bit weird and you will feel some suspicious things, but yes, there are some suspicious things in this ROM. And guys, like you saw, this is the official PornHub app, and yes, don't get me wrong, I won't be opening this because it has 18 plus material. So yeah, if you wish you can open it after installing in your device. I won't be opening it. We get Pornograph, but it's just phonograph, so yeah, don't worry, you won't be getting some dirty songs. You also have PornAOSP Wallpapers which are a bit weird. You can see here it says something like, okay, so this is like a script. Then we get some unusual wallpapers which you may not see in any other ROMs. So yeah, these are some of the unusual things in the PornAOSP. We have FirePorn, but it's just a browser. I think it's based on those Firefox or something, I don't know. We have Telegram Blue, Substartum Pre-installed, and we also get the normal Lineage OS apps with ad away, so that you won't be having any problem or issues with the ads on the sites, I guess. You also get audio effects and Deathly Auditor, and yes, that's it for those apps. And guys, as this ROM is based on LOS extended, we get the same customization. So let's go into display options, and we get the normal adaptive brightness, live display, ambient display. We also got the ambient display settings. Here you can see ambient display, automatic brightness too, high touch sensitivity, expanded desktop. We have the display size and display burn-in protection too. We have the color engine in which you can change stuff. You can see change it to pink, and here also you can customize it to dark, so it looks great on AMOLED, which I just wanted to show you guys. Now here's the memory bar. You can enable it, enable clearer button. You can see it's in the bottom center as it says. You can see bottom center and also the memory bar. Then we have blur, which I have not set yet. Then going back into the gestures, we have jump to camera and double tap to sleep. And the buttons, we can customize the on-screen buttons and hardware other buttons. And guys, that's it for the video review of the PornAOSP for the Galaxy Note 3, and this is the boot animation. And if you guys really like this video, press the like button, or else press the dislike button, also subscribe, and please note down the feedback in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.